What is success? How can we achieve it? Here in the first paragraph, you can see Jagar Chandni will read whatever written on screen. Yes, Jagar
Yes,
Chandni, continue better.
yes. Being successful means the achievement of desired vision and planned goals. When we do not get success, we feel disappointed. We try to find excuses and put blame on others.
Yeah, our chapter be successful. First of all, definition what is success? Being successful means when one can be successful, that is to achieve, to get whatever our vision, whatever we desire, to get it in a proper way by planning. That is called success. In other words, we can say what we wish and we achieve with our own effort. That is success. When we do not get success, we feel disappointed. It is natural. Every time we cannot be successful. Every time we should try. But when we are not successful, suppose recently your examination has been finished, you did not get the result as you wish. At that time, you may be disappointed. But never leave it. Without disappointment, we also blame on others. Teacher was not teaching well. I was ill during exam. I could not write. I could not prepare properly because of disturbance. And so many reasons we are telling or saying. That is not good. Once, if we are unsuccessful, we should try to find the reasons behind the failure. Then, next time, remove them and try to move ahead. Next one, Ramchandani Manali.
Yes,
Continue, beta.
we when we fail in any test or exam, we feel
Beta,
disappointed.
just a minute. Read from screen.
Okay. In order to success in life, first we should have a goal. Goal setting is a strong determination of what one should achieve, achieve in life. Goal setting is important because it gives direction in one's life.
Yes. In order to success, when we want something and when we get it, that is our success. But for that, we need to set what we need, what we wish. That is called goal. Some destination. I want to get something. I want to reach some proper place or position. Suppose your goal is this year you will be in top 5, or if you are in top 5, your goal may be you will be in top 2 or top 3 or first. First of all, decide the goal before success. After it, there should be strong determination. Whatever you decide, suppose you have seen movie Wanted, सलमान खान डायलॉग, एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर ली उसके बाद तो अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Same thing. Once you decide, your determination should be strong. Then you can get your goal, what you want to achieve. Goal setting is important because it gives direction in one's life. Suppose you are studying but you do not have any goal, that is meaningless. You should have at least a goal. Why you are studying? To be a good doctor, engineer, teacher, lawyer, businessman, scientist, pilot, dancer, singer, actor, whatever your goal, you must describe first so that you can effort to achieve your goal in some particular direction. Now here we are going out of textbook. One of question is what is goal? As we say, my goal is this, that, or this. What is goal? Goal is something you want to achieve that requires hard work. Suppose you want to achieve something, you want to be in luxurious car, suppose BMW, but for that you have to manage money to buy it. You want to be a great businessman or great artist, great actor or actress, singer or dancer, sports person, whatever is. We need hard work to reach that position or destination. That is called goal. Now, what kind of goal should be? First thing, listen first line. Important to you. Whatever the goal you decide, it must be important to you, related to you. Second thing, clear and measurable. It should be clear. Suppose you are studying, you think I would be a pilot. It is clear goal. Measurable. If you think I will choose science, it is clear. If you think I will go in medical or engineering or management, that is good. But if you think if I get 90% in 12th class, I will go in medical. If I get 70 to 80%, I will go in BBA or B school, business school. If I got less mark, I will go with arts. That is not measurable goal. It is not clear. Your goal should be clear and measurable. Second one, realistic. It should be possible. Don't think that I will fly in the sky without any instrument. By Jadoo. Not possible. Really, it should be there. And last one, depend on actions you take. Whatever the action you are taking, your goal should be on yourself, not dependent on others. Here, two types of goals are described: clear goals and unclear goals. Suppose clear goal, I want to be in shape, proper shape. Unclear, I want to be able to run a kimi in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 1 kilometer. That is clearly so. Within 10 minutes, I will complete 1 kilometer, not less than it. I want have more friends. I need to improve my group. But here, how much? Not described. I want to make 2 new friends this term. 2 new friends this term. It is easy to make friends, but good friend, it is so difficult to make good friends. I want to get part in this school play. Yes, someone was asking me any question in doubt. This way, in short, your goal should be clear. Switch off mic. Your goal.
Misha to mute her mic.
Switch off mic, everyone. Now, two types of goal: short term and long term.
Hola. Hola,
I cancel the video icon so that no one can rejoin. Another mic is open. What to do? Don't switch on mic until I say. I have removed the video icon, so you cannot rejoin after I remove. Kalani and Mangalani have raised their hands. Why? Is there any question? This topic is important out of your syllabus, though I am going with it because it is related to here, successful. Yeah, we were talking about goal setting. Short term and long term goal. Short term goals, you think this year means in class 7, I will get 70% or 80% or 90%, whatever your goal is. This week, I will do this or I will complete this task. These are short term goals. But you think, I will be a pilot. It is long term goal. I will be a businessman, doctor, engineer, lawyer, whatever the professions are. These are long term goals. This way you can differ short term and long term. Here I will explain how to set the goal and how to achieve it. If you follow the step which I mention here, I promise you will definitely reach your goal, achieve your goal, get your goal. Now setting a personal goal. How to set a personal goal? Here are 7 steps by which you can set personal goal. Process or steps for setting and planning to achieve a goal. If you think something to get, follow this 7 steps. I promise you will definitely get it. First point, state your goal. Because suppose if you want to visit or travel Goa, you must decide. Otherwise you say this vacation we are going outside, but where? Decide. So decide the goal, set your goal. The condition, as we have just discussed, important to you, clear and measurable, realistic, and dependent on your action. First step, you set your goal. Suppose short-term goal, you decided last year I got 20th rank in my class. This year I will be in top 10. That is your goal. That should be your goal. Now after goal, second step, list the step you will take to reach your goal. Now how will you reach there? How will you get the goal? Suppose if you are talking about your education, how will you prepare more? How will you spare more time for preparation? List. Third step is consider possible blocks and ways to deal with them. While you are preparing, practicing, or going on your path or your plan, what may be blocks? Suppose as we are going with short-term goal, just we have taken example. Possible blocks are, suppose your younger brother or sister is disturbing you. In classroom, some students disturbing you. You are ill. You cannot get enough time. You went away with your family. These are some possible blocks. In some subject you can't understand. You want to revise. You want to re-understand. These are the blocks. How will you deal? Prepare a plan. Suppose ask your teacher. Discuss with your elder brother or sister, uncle, aunt, parents to deal with you, to help you. You can use YouTube videos and Google. You can go to tuition class. Lots of options. What will you choose? Depending on. Then make a timeline. Whatever your goal is, your timeline should be there. Suppose in 2021, I will do something or I will complete this work, I will reach at this position, whatever is. Timeline should be there. Next one, build a support system. Now, when you are moving on your goal to achieve the goal, at that time, you need support. It is okay. That goal is dependent to you. It is yours. You need your own effort. Work hard. Smart work. But in between, you need the helps. Whom will you contact? You can contact your teacher, parents, friends, Google, whatever is. Prepare it. If I fail, I will go here. If I need advice, I will ask him or her. This way. Sixth step, review whatever the 5 steps you have written. Review it. If you think you need some change, make a change. If you don't think, continue the plan and follow it. And last step is celebrate your success. Means you are successful. You will get the goal. But after getting goal, celebrate. Not on the spot when you decide or you write. It doesn't mean that you got the goal or you achieved the goal. First of all, follow the plan and then move towards. Here is activity for you. How to set goal. It is for you. You can decide your goal this way. After presenting this slide, you can take screenshot. State your goal. In first line, you need to write the name of your goal. Keep short-term goal. Suppose within 2 days, 1 week, 1 month. This type of short-term goal. Set your goal. Then steps. How will you reach to the goal? What step will you follow? Then consider blocks. What are the obstacles on your way? And how will you deal it? Fourth one, make timeline. As I have told, 2 days, 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months. Means short term. Don't go with long term. After practice, the second goal should be long term goal. Build support system. Who will help you? Your parents, teachers, uncle, aunts, elder brother, sister, friend, Google, YouTube, whoever is. Build support system. Review. Means then review this plan, 5 steps you have taken. In next MSc period, I will ask this same question related to this. If possible, make short-term goal. Before we go ahead, any question from your side?
No, sir.
Very good.
No, sir.
Now, from we are moving again towards textbook. Prepare a plan. After goal is set, we have to prepare a plan to achieve it, as we have just discussed in that motivational show. How to reach goal? What would be our support system? How would we deal with obstacles and blocks? For that, we need to prepare a plan. Then, we are moving ahead. Start doing. After planning, how to start doing, now I am going with students to read. Yes, Kalani Bhakti.
Yes, sir.
Start doing. If you have textbook, you can start. Otherwise, wait for screen presence. Okay, screen is going to present. You can start.
Okay, sir. According to Charles Dickens, whatever I have tried to do in life, I have tried with all my heart to do well. Whatever I have, whatever
Devoted.
I have devoted myself to. I have devoted myself complete. At the state of implementation, implementation, our well-desired plans face thought temptation. You should have the willpower to conquer temptation and stick to the planned activities of your timetable.
Start doing. Here, Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens is one of the greatest writers in English literature, belong to England. His own example. Whatever I have tried to do in my life, I have tried it with all my heart to do well. Perhaps you heard a story, work while you work, poem, sorry, work while you work, play while you play. When you are playing, physically as well as mentally, you involve in the game. Similarly, when you are doing something, any work, studying, household work, your business job, whatever you are doing, preparing dance, singing practice, sport or any games practice. Do it with heart. Means physical as well as mental. Both attendance or presentation is necessary. Whatever I have devoted myself to, I have devoted myself completely. Means whatever I have devoted myself, whatever means what I did it completely with physical as well as mental preparation. 100% attention. At the stage of implementation, our well-desired plan faced tough temptation. For getting something, we prepare a plan. It is well-desired. We think many times and then made a plan to implement. But at that time, we have some tough conditions. Don't worry, they are the block. Try to resolve it. You can also get the help of some particular one. You should have the willpower to conquer temptation and stick to the planned activities of your time. As we have just discussed, tough competition is there, tough time is there. It may be possible your plan is going to be disturbed, but don't let any situation to disturb your plan. Strictly follow your activities according to the plan and timetable you made. This way, you can reach your goal without any much difficulties, because difficulty is part of our life, but we should try to remove it by ourselves, or when it is required we should also ask the help from our elders, friends, books, internet, means Google, etc. Very good. Next one is Mangalani Drashti.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Okay. You should have to be success in life is your belief in yourself. In one way or other way, we all are blessed with nu- numerous qualities. Discover your own. What is that, sir? After
Potentials.
potentials and
Potentials.
develop them. Start believing in your power to win. You have to awaken the hidden textures
Yes.
within yourselves.
Yes. Believe in yourself. That is the one of the important point. If you can't trust yourself, then how can you trust others? But generally, we trust others more than ourselves. So you should have to succeed in life. But for that, you must believe yourself. You must identify your strength, your power, because God has given the power to each and every one of us. If something is missing in ours, at that time, some another thing that is in large amount. Once we do not have one skill. Suppose I cannot dance. That is my weakness. But I can speak betterly. That is the way. If one skill missing, your other skills or qualities will be in more amount. Discover your own potential and develop them. Whatever your strength, whatever your skill, discover it. Today, when you are going to sleep at night, ask yourself, not anybody in the world, what can I do the best? In which work I never tired or I never bored? That should be your hobby. If you follow that, definitely you will success. No one can pause you to achieve the success. So discover your potential, and today try to discover your potential. What is the strength inside you? What is the inner power? Ask yourself. Don't ask anybody. Don't ask anybody. Ask yourself only. You will get the answer. But whenever you are free, and so that I say, at the night sleeping time, when you are going to sleep, everybody is sleeping. At that time, think yourself and ask yourself about your strength. Start believing in your power to win. Whatever your strength, start believing the power, and you will definitely win. You have to awaken the hidden treasure within yourself. As I have just told, every one of us have some hidden treasure. It is our property, our strength, our skills, our power. We need to find them. We need to identify them. And after that only we can be successful. We will go ahead with many other points also. Because in this book, in this class, one of the important book of moral values. Next one is be positive. As it is only 49, 50, 11:50. So
Sir, I have doubt. Can I say?
yeah, why not? Now it is the time to solve